When you want that next level audio performance on your 2014 and newer Harley-Davidson motorcycle, our all-new 2014 Plus subwoofer kits reinvent the ride. Designed and engineered for easy integration and superior flexibility, these 800-watt dual 10-inch subwoofer motorcycle kits are built for true motorcycle on-road performance. The plug-and-play design paired with our freeway speed output all create the best-in-class on-bike bass experience. This entire system is designed to work with your current Rockford Fosgate TMS motorcycle audio systems. So let's get into this subwoofer kit. It's comprised of our 10-inch M1 element-ready subwoofers, an 800-watt M5 amplifier, enclosures, wiring kit, cutting templates, and an amplifier mounting plate. Everything is included in this kit to ensure an easy installation. First, let's take a look at the 10-inch woofers. These subs deliver a clear, accurate, and loud bass. They feature an element-ready design that are built to stand up to the outdoor environment. Housing the subwoofers are these purpose-built enclosures that fit perfectly into your factory saddlebags. Powering both the subs is our 800-watt 4-channel M5 element-ready amplifier. The amplifier features the next level of element-ready design that's built as rugged as the outdoor environment. With its play-all-day performance, it's engineered to endure those long touring rides when your soundtrack just won't stop. The included wiring kit ensures all the correct connections are made, and the cutting templates are also provided for an error-proof install.